The box Chevy is finna get dropped off. There you go. Just like that. So y'all know I love to drive this car, man. I love driving this car. For when it sounds good, even though it's a little slow, this car sounds really good.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I failed, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pocket not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. As y'all see by the title, the box Chevy is finna get dropped off. You feel me? So I told y'all that the box Chevy was supposed to be getting some work done to it, and that's why I kept telling y'all just stay tuned because stuff was finna get done. Now we look back here, we got the fan shroud, transmission dust cover, alternator, and we also got a new radiator going in here. And I think he gonna look at my transmission for me too, you know what I'm saying? Look at the bell housing and everything. So like I said, y'all just stay tuned. We finna get everything done. I gotta clean out a little bit more stuff, like these cardboards. I'm gonna get these out just in case if he don't finish the car today, which he told me it should be no more than 1 day, you know what I'm saying? Which is something about this mechanic. He's a fast turner. I get everything done quick, so gotta get that out just in case so I can go ahead and get my board. Gotta get this out. And I gotta take out that TV because I don't want that just sitting in here no more because I'm not gonna be using it. So I don't want to just sit in here, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, we gotta get this car, get it dropped off. I'm gonna have to hook the battery up, and you know what I'm saying? Now we won't have to be unplugging my battery because my alternator won't drain it. We're gonna have a new alternator on. And yeah, we should be in the game, you know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, we need to get this done. We need to get this car worked on, and we're finally getting it done. Like I said, this mechanic, I know him personally, you know what I'm saying? And he does stuff, like, I ain't gonna say he rushes it, but he gets you in and get you out, you feel me, in a timely manner. And he told me no longer than a day, might just be a couple hours, to be honest. So we might be dropping it off and picking it up same day, but I'm not gonna do that same video just in case, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna close this video out towards the end just in case, you know. But it is raining right now, and y'all know the wipers on this car do not work because I haven't ordered the new wiper motor yet. But that should be coming real soon, so y'all just stay tuned for that. But y'all just make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, or y'all be notified every time I drop. And I told y'all this box Chevy is finna be moving. We just got a little bit left to do, and getting this stuff done to it, what he finna do now is one little small step. Then from there, you know what I'm saying, it's just the rest of the customization, you feel me? I just want to make sure this car is running perfectly, and that's what it's gonna be doing, you know. So one of the main things, like I said, I need to do is get this stuff from out of here. So once I get this out, I'm gonna hook up the battery, let the car warm up a little bit, because like it is a little chilly and it's raining, so we gotta let the car warm up a little bit. Then, you feel me, I'm gonna just let y'all ride with me, you feel me, while I'm driving to drop it off. So we just gonna drive and drop it off, and like I said, let y'all ride with me. So hope y'all enjoy this little vlog. It's mostly just a vlog, because we're not gonna be working on the car, but the car getting work done to it. So like I said, y'all stay tuned. New alternator, fan shroud, dust cover, radiator, I don't know what else, but I think he's gonna look over a couple other things for me. But this car's getting done up, you feel me, and something we needed done, something we needed to get done. So I'm finna catch y'all in 1 second. We're finna put the battery on the car and we're gonna let the car warm up. So let's try and get a cold start in once we hook the battery up. So like I said, y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of us dropping the car off and a little bit of driving footage, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, so like I said, we gotta plug the battery up first. So let's go ahead and get that done. My bad about the lighting. But yeah, like I said, let's get the battery plugged onto the car. My hands is cold too, y'all. Go ahead and plug this battery up so we can let the car warm up. try and get a cold start. One more time. Ooh. There you go. Just like that. So, like I said, now I'm just gonna let the car warm up for a little bit. Y'all know the car usually crank up on the first try, but it's been sitting and it's a little cold outside. So, finna let the car warm up for a little bit. Then we're gonna go from there. Turn my heat on. Yeah, we're gonna let the car warm up for a little bit. Like I said, then we're gonna go from there. So y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, I need to get a little bit of this stuff out, get that out. These cardboards, I'm putting them in my charger so I remember to use it, you know what I'm saying? And then get that box out, get them jumper cables out. That box is just, it's a bigger center console TV. And then y'all know, good little brake light. Good little brake light, you know what I'm saying? Third brake light. So yeah, like I said, finna let the car warm up for a little bit, clean out a little bit of this stuff. And yeah, go from there. I gotta plug up the alternator when I get ready to drive. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, y'all just stay tuned and I will catch y'all in 1 second once we get ready to get on the road. So yeah, make sure y'all like the video as well, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe and stay tuned, you feel me? But let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we finna get ready to drive the car to get dropped off like I told y'all. You feel me? It ain't really nothing else really much to it. But go ahead and turn the heat off. But yeah, like I said, we finna go ahead and drive the car. Alright, let's go ahead and get driving. Y'all know I love to drive this car, man. I love driving this car. For one, it sounds good, even though it's a little slow. This car sounds really good. Oh my gosh. Y'all see what I'm saying though? How I wouldn't get in the gear? I don't understand it. It just, it's sometimes it'll get in the gear, sometimes it won't. So I really don't understand it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it'll jump out of the gear. Sometimes it'll go right in the gear. And y'all see, I was already in drive. It just wouldn't take off. You know? So I honestly don't know. But like I told y'all, see now it's doing it again. I don't get it. I really don't. But y'all know it's raining and my wipers don't work. But luckily I know how to drive pretty good to where I don't really need the wipers all the time, you know. I can somewhat see through the, I ain't gonna say see through the rain, but I can see why it's a little bit wet on the windows, you know. But this car sounds so good. So good, bro. I love this car so much. And I just love being in this car. You know, it's nothing like just being in an old school car. Being able to just cruise through town with your arm kicked up, chilling backwards. You know what I'm saying? It's a different feeling, bro, for real. It's a different feeling, bro. Man. Y'all know we just polished them tips too on the exhaust. Man, bro, I'm telling y'all, I love this car so much. So much, bro. But we are now pulling up to his house, so I will catch y'all in a hot minute. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I told you, I'm not really in a rush for that car because I don't really need it right now to do anything with it. And for another reason, it's raining, you feel me? I'm not finna force him to work in the rain, you feel me? Ain't none of that. But as soon as we got there, I told him like stuff I was like, all the problems and stuff I've been having, but I've been talking to him anyways before I even took the car. And that was why he told me to bring it when I like now, you know. So like I said, I've been telling him what's been going on with the car. He said this is his specialty, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I know him, So me and him talk, we talk and stuff, you feel me? And he an older guy, like close to my dad age, probably a little bit older. But you know, he said, you feel me, this is specialty. He loved working on older cars, even though he worked on a lot of newer cars now, but he loved and missed like working on older cars. And not too many people got older cars, you feel me? And especially younger people like my age, you feel me? I'm only 22. Not too many people my age like these older cars like I do, you feel me? So he was like, he loved to see the younger generation keeping these older cars still alive, you feel me? And I'm one of them, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, I don't need that car right now, so I'm not in a rush. But he told me give him at max a couple days, at max, you feel me? If not, he'll have it done within like a couple hours, to be honest, or if not, a day, you feel me? So like I said, I'm not in a rush. I'm not worried about it because I don't need to do it. The only thing I was doing to that car was making my center console. And as y'all can see, I got my templates. Well, that one's trash. I'm gonna be throwing that one away, but my template right here, as y'all can see. So we got the templates. Nothing too serious, you feel me? Nothing too crazy. Not, like I said, I don't need that car right now, so I'm not worried about it. So the only thing I was gonna do is make my center console, and I don't need the car to do that, you feel me? So I could do that without having the car. So yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We dropped the car off, got it out of the way. It ain't at the crib no more. It's gonna be a sad sight not seeing my car not at the crib no more, you know what I'm saying? But I know it's in good hands, and his shop is literally right close to the crib, so I can literally just drive by and see if I want to see it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We got the box Chevy dropped off and get some work done to it. And y'all know we've been spending a bag after a bag, you know, to get these cars right, but that's a part of the game, you know? So we're gonna get that box Chevy right. Just waiting on the Cutlass to get finished, waiting on that call, you know, for me to come and pick up that Cutlass, you know? I'm ready for it, man. I'm excited. And as y'all know, summer is approaching, spring is approaching, so the heat and the good weather is approaching. So we're gonna be having to do a lot of work with these cars to try to get them finished. And like I said, I'm not in no rush to get none of my cars finished. I don't have nowhere to really be with the cars, you know? Yeah, I want to go to car shows and stuff, but I don't have to have my car to go to the car shows, you know? I can just go to the car shows just to see the scenery. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'm probably trying to go and get the wood for my center console tomorrow. As y'all hear the rain is starting to come back down, so excuse me. Like I said, I'm probably gonna try and get the wood tomorrow to start that center console, but I got my cup holders, but I haven't got my adapter pieces, my USB adapter pieces in, so I can't really make the holes for that yet. So that's why I don't want to start cutting the wood till I have the pieces I need. Now wrapping it, I'm not gonna put the center console together until I get the wrap for it. So but other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's a lot of stuff to come, a lot of stuff we're doing with these cars, and I'm having fun building them, having them fun getting them sent off the shops, doing stuff that I can't do, and stuff getting done to it. And I told him about the car not shifting right and like going in the gear right. He told me he gonna look into that and everything. So everything's supposed to hopefully will get done with the car. And like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And the next video y'all see, it will either be me doing the center console or me picking the box Chevy back up, because his turnaround time is quick. Like I know this is not my first car going to him. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. God bless, and keep God first. Remember that, keep God first. Love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Peace.